we're going to have fun learning about numbers and colors. Let's pick up this lovely pink Play-Doh. Here's our number 0 mole. Let's press it down into the Play-Doh. Wow, look at that! We made a perfect pink number 0. Finally, let's place our number 0 on this blue square. Let's start with this beautiful purple Play-Doh. It's the number 1. Let's press the mold down into the Play-Doh, nice and firm. And now, let's lift it up. We've made a fantastic purple number 1. We're going to place our number 1 on this orange square. Let's add one yummy cupcake next to our number 1. Now, let's take a look at this bright blue Play-Doh. Here's our number to mold. Let's press this mold into the Play-Doh. And there we have it, a beautiful blue number 2. Let's put our number 2 on this honey-colored square. We have 2 colorful flowers. 1, 2 flowers. Look at this sunny yellow Play-Doh we have here. And here's our special number 3 mold. Let's press the mold into the Play-Doh. Wow, we've made a fantastic yellow number 3. We're going to place our number 3 right here on this green square. We have 3 colorful hearts. 1, 2, 3 hearts. Let's take a look at this clean, white Play-Doh. Here's our number for mold. Let's press it into the Play-Doh. And here we have our beautiful white number 4. We'll place our number 4 on this brown square. We have colorful stars. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Look at this bright red Play-Doh. And here we have our number 5. Let's press the mold down into the Play-Doh. We've made a striking red number 5. We're going to place our number 5 on this brown square. We have colorful strawberries. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 3 strawberries, 4 strawberries, and 5 strawberries. Let's start with this sunny yellow Play-Doh. Here's our number 6. Let's press the mold into the Play-Doh, nice and steady, and lift it up. Look at that! We've made a beautiful yellow number 6. We'll place our number 6 on this green square. We have colorful leaves. 1 leaf, 2 leaves, 3 leaves, 4 leaves, 5 leaves, and 6 leaves. Let's take a look at this lovely blue Play-Doh. And here's our number 7 mold. Let's press the mold into the Play-Doh. Press down well. Here we go. We've made a fantastic blue number 7. Let's place our number 7 on this bright yellow square. We have colorful crescents. 1 crescent, 2 crescents, 3 crescents, 4 crescents, 5 crescents, 6 crescents, 7 crescents. Let's start with this rich navy Play-Doh. And this is our number 8 mold. Now, let's press the mold into the Play-Doh. Look at this. We've created a beautiful navy number 8. We'll place our number 8 on this vibrant orange square. We have colorful oysters. 1 oyster, 2 oysters, 3 oysters, 4 oysters, 5 oysters, 6 oysters, 7 oysters, and 8 oysters. Let's begin with this vibrant orange Play-Doh. Here's our number 9 mold. Now, let's press this mold into the Play-Doh. And here we have a fantastic orange number 9. Next, we'll place our number 9 on this lovely blue square. We have colored balls. Here's 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls, 4 balls, 5 balls, 6 balls, 7 balls, 8 balls, and 9 balls. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe. See you again